Here we come to the elevator at the Environmental and Natural Resources Building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. We're going to take the service car. These seem to have gotten a modernization at one point.
No, these are original from 2015.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And I don't think these are ThyssenKrupp. That's just the indicator. That's just the lantern.
I think you'll probably go out from it.
Yep. Here we go up to roof. Is roof locked? Nope, it's not. Oh, 5 is locked. 5 is unlocked.
Yeah. Roof's usually open in the day. I don't know why it's closed today. I got a trip on this. I recorded a trip on this when the roof was open, so.
Here we are at 5. Button goes out. These were installed in 2015. Sorry about that. I thought these looked a lot like the modernized ones, but here's a I think these are GAL interlocks. Oh yeah, they might be doing some construction, but here's the 5th floor. Let's go down to 1.
You have a signal button for some reason.
Oh, I'm not gonna press that. That could activate the emergency phone. That might be some sort of alarm button.
Maybe, but there's like the main alarm button as well. The right one.
Should I press it or no?
No, don't press it.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, I have not hit that. I'm not going to push that button because I'm not sure what that does.
And here we are. That's it.
Yep, and we're not going to take the other one because it's just the same as this one. Stainless steel cab. Oh, let me get a cab view real quick. Totally forgot about the cab view. Here's the door operator. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.